Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about language in LinkedIn. As you can see guys, the complete website written in English, and if you want to change the language of your account, then you can easily change your language and you can use your account in your own or your national language. So how will you do? There are some simple steps, and follow these simple steps and change your language easily. Just look at the top of the screen. Here you will see your profile icon, and here you have to click on it. Once you click on it, the other window will be open, and here you can see language. And here in this window you can change your native language easily, in which language you want to see your account. Or in case if you don't get any option like this, then you can go with your settings and privacy, and here you can change your language very easily. So as you can see guys, there are so many languages over here, and you can easily change into your language. So this is how to change language in LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.